Who is ready for some good strong back punch? Look at all my lovely ingredients. You know something is about to go down. Here I have sea moss, you call it Irish moss. Here I have some nice peanut roasted. I prefer the roasted, it gives a better flavor. And here I have my oatmeal. Oatmeal is going to bring fiber and nutrients to this punch. And I have a lovely red banana. It's gonna give a nice thickness and help to make it taste sweeter. And here we have some spice, some nutmeg and cinnamon powder. And we have our condensed milk. This is what we're gonna use for sugar. And here goes our vanilla and our lovely Guinness to hit a nice taste of alcohol, a little spike. So to your blender, you want to add a cup of water. Then you add your Guinness. We are going to use the whole bottle. There goes our vanilla, our evaporated milk, then our condensed milk. Lot of milk going on here. This is going to be so creamy. And there go our sea moss, Irish moss, and our spice, and our roasted, flavor-rich peanuts with our oatmeal. And here comes our banana. And it's time to blend all these tasty ingredients to a delicious strong back punch. You can serve this on some ice or allow it to chill before serve. And you want to sip on this slowly and allow that flavor to burst in your mouth before you swallow. Wow, this is so creamy. The taste is perfect. So there you have it, guys. A nice tasty strong back sea moss punch. Go and enjoy it. Drop a comment below. Let me know how did yours came out. Did you like it? Did it work? Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.